Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be talking about some universities, some best of the best universities, overseas university actually. Today our main focus is from the point of view of those students who want to go abroad for pursuing their career or starting their path of their academic career after their 12th or maybe after their graduations. That is as per as their concern. So this is one of the best university in Canada, University of Alberta. You can find here some information about this university. I'll just go to home and start from the basics. So if you this is something these are the home this is the home page. Sorry, I'm genuinely sorry. This is the home page of this university. Here you can see about few courses which are like one of the most important and major courses provided by the Bachelor of Commerce, MBA and Master Program, Business, PhD, whichever you want to look into. You can just click on that. These are some latest news of this university. If you want to follow them, you can of course follow them from over here. In Twitter you can subscribe to their to receive their notification through newsletters. If you want to visit any of these sites to know about them, if you want to contact them, you can contact them. If you want to gain knowledge, so you can contact them at any time. International programs, entrepreneurship, real estate, education, career services, everything is written over here. If you want to, if you need any, sorry, I'm just, yeah, these are some programs according to the program you require, according to the program you want. Due to the I'm going over there to do some management project. Let's suppose I want to do MBA program. Yeah, I want to do full-time MBA program, not executive one. So I'll go over here and see like admissions, full-time MBA, part-time MBA, career, academic, student life, some frequent asked question. If I want to contact them accordingly, whichever MBA I want, I'll just go over there and know. And here you can see the past work experience. This is some eligibility criteria. If I want to go over there to do MBA, it is of more than like less than actually 2 years. It is just 20 months. That means 1 year and 8 months. The length of the education program of full-time MBA. I need at least 2 years of past work experience. My average age should be 24 to 37. The application deadline is June 1st. So these are some few full comparison chart. If I want to know, if I want to think, if I want to apply, or if I want to contact them, I'll accordingly go before. As we all know, finance is something which matters a lot when we are going to when we are pursuing our careers. So if you want to see about the financial investment, you have to put, if you want to go over there, the tuition fees. You want to know for domestic as well as international student. As we are talking about international students, so we'll go over here and see how much fees I have to pay like per year. So the annual tuition amount is this on yearly basis. The total program fees is 60,000. The living expenses also mentioned over there. If you want a single, the price must be food, utilities, internet and mobile, other things, clothing, everything is mentioned over there. If you Because when we go outside India for making our career, so that impact to our personal life, of course our career and our career lives, our professional life and personal lives go side by side. We have to balance them accordingly. If I'm going to go over there for even 1 year, suppose the length of my program is 1 year, if I'm going to stay over there, I have to decide where I have to live. If I want to share with someone, if I'm comfortable with living with someone else in a place where I don't know anyone, if I can how, like my preference, if I'm a vegetarian, I have to decide like which food I am comfortable. Food is of course a matter. Food is like the most basic thing which I require, no matter I go in a village or abroad. So everything you have to consider before applying yourself for a MB or any program. Everything is mentioned over here. This is Alberta MBA alumni program. Okay, so this is the salary of one of the students. It's written about. So if I want to know the overview of this program, I just have to click over here, orientation, core curriculum. I can see summer internship, MBA capstone course, everything. If I want to see, I can go over here. Student service, departments, research, news events, about, contact us. If you want to keep in touch, I just saw this by chance. Okay, if you want to talk to someone, you can go over here and keep in touch with some of the students, update your contact details. So if you want to contact them, if you want to know about the place, like rankings, some facts about the school, these are the he's the dean of this university. Everything is over there. If you want to see some facts, if you want to see some ranking of the school, as you can see, 400 student of MBA is over there and graduates are 109. Everything is written over here. Here, this is some faculty and staff numbers. Full-time faculty 67, lecturers and other teaching staff 83, administrative staff 70. Everything is mentioned over there. If you wanna visit this site, the official link is in the description box. You can go over there and redirect yourself to the site, guys. I would suggest that if you have any single doubt popping inside your head, then please write that in the comment section. I would love to resolve it. Along with that, if you want to contact them to know more information, you can contact them. Here is the contact section. Along with that, guys, I would suggest you to follow this channel. As you know, this channel is beneficial for you only. It provides all the details about competitive examination, abroad universities, applications form, if they are good for Indian students and not. Along with that, this also shows you scholarship programs for not only Indian students, but also if you want to go to some university outside India, which we are talking about in this videos. Even this university provide you student loan if you want to go. Along with that, if they are providing a student loan, and they are giving this if you want to suppose, let's take an example, it will help you to understand this. If I'm a student, I'm studying in University of Alberta, I will take student loan. Suppose my internship, suppose the length of my program is 1 year, right? So they will, first of all, there is no interest rate. I don't have to pay any interest while of on that loan. Along with that, I don't have to uh, along with that, I'll get extra 6 months after my education, like 1 year of my program length. 6 months they will give me extra to start the repayment of that loan which I took from them to complete my education. So this is a very nice scheme which is provided by the University of Alberta. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you.